Ang saya ng sinulong sa Cebu. Hey! Viva Villaseñor! Villaseñor! One! Ang saya na sinulong sa Cebu. Hey! Oh, oh, oh! Oh, oh, oh! Naduhan ko, I love Cebu. Ang saya ng sinulong sa Cebu. Eh, Viva Villaseñor. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. Yeah! Ang saya-saya ng sinulong sa Cebu, mura dito ka Cebu. Ito yung primero namang kuhan ni Sod na dito ha.
Primero nga.
Sa banat ha.
Banat.
Ayun. Ang saya-saya ng sinulong sa Cebu.
Mura dito ka Cebu.
Ang saya-saya ng sinulong sa Cebu, parang dito ka Cebu. Idol. Eh, Villaseñor. Eh. Eh. Money Ice, Money Ice. Bahala ko ito, Villaseñor. Villaseñor. Viva Villaseñor!
Villaseñor! Villaseñor!
Villaseñor! Villaseñor! Villaseñor! Oh. Senyor! Saan? Senyor!
Villaseñor!
Senyor! Senyor! Presko na kayo ha? Presko kayo? Ikago ganiha sa kwan? Sinulong ba? Villaseñor ba? With Jeff sayo. Ano yung sayo?
Matay na yun.
Wala, sugod na midari. Sugod na. Si Viva.
Viva! Villaseñor!
Viva Mineral Water!
Presko na. Gawa sa Safeguard. At Fred Ramanella, MC Paul.
Yo. This is my virgin. Sinulog Festival right here at Club Calling. We're gonna rock the party till all the way till the morning together with my bro DJ Cocos and our yes, and our pornographer.
Yes! Oh! Viva! Viva Villaseñor! Hey! Senor! It's Senor! Viva! Mineral water! Senor! Senor! Kung ganahan mo mahubog, get inside! It's Senor! Senor! Yo! May gabi! Kung wala na sila, nilibog na mong ilim nun. Shout out, Taka Generation! Hey!
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose sleeping. You're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Roses on both my knees for you, don't say thank you. Oh please, I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul, so cynical. So you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so puff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad. I'm the bad guy.
Hayagan, gengit-git kayo!
Like it
Kubang! Oh, hayagan, gini maklaro.
just always so puff guy. I like it when you take control, even if you know that you don't own me. I'll let you play the role. I'll be your enemy. My mommy likes to sing along with me, but she won't sing the song if she reads all the lyrics. She'll pity the men I know. So you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so puff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad